And we have more snow and ice across the north of the UK and more heavy rain in the south with the risk of some flooding, and the cold weather stays with us all week long. Laura. Literally, since we've started the new year, we've had low pressure after low pressure bringing rain, and then now this weekend we've had the snow. And we have so many weather warnings in force, pretty much all of us seeing a weather warning at the moment. Snow is the focus across pretty much the northern half of the UK, and for some... So yes, we have a lot going on with the weather here in the UK as we head through the next few days. These are the warnings we have in force at the moment. It is rain for southern England, the Midlands and across Wales. And the Midlands northwards is where we have warnings for snow and ice. That's until around about 12 o'clock today. We'd like to see more warnings being issued over. Good morning to you. We are less than 1 week into the new year and we've already had a lot of weather, low pressures bringing rain, flooding, and over the weekend we had the cold weather with snow. And we have both to contend with through the next few days. These are the latest weather warnings in force. From the Midlands southwards, it is rainfall we're concerned with this morning, and from the Midlands northwards, it is coming out as we head through the next 7 days. I forgot I could walk, can't I now? So we are back to the video wall. The Christmas decorations are gone. And across the north of the UK, this is the line where our temperatures should be. It is way below average all week long. This is not welcome news because we still have a high percentage chance of some wintry weather falling as we head through the next few days. Most of the stuff that falls from the sky will be sub-zero. Therefore, it's likely to be hail or ice or snow that's our main issue. But it does turn dry from the middle of the week onwards, so that is welcome news. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures, they're sitting below average for the whole of the week. It is wet to start the week and it turns dry to end it. For the weather, temperatures fell as low as minus 12.4 degrees overnight, the coldest of the season so far. That means that ice is a risk, but further snowfall across northern areas is set to cause more widespread disruption. Good morning. We have multiple weather warnings in force across the UK for this morning. It's rain pretty much from the Midlands southwards. It is snow pretty much from the Midlands northwards. Now, earlier, Manchester Airport was temporarily closed with snow falling there on the runway. It looks like we have had a few flights land within the last few minutes, so that is one worth watching. But whether you are travelling on road, rail or air, as we head through today, it is worth checking before you travel because there is still widespread disruption, flooding on some of the train lines through parts of the Midlands because of the heavy rain that we've seen falling there. So the advice is definitely to check before you travel. More snow possible, and we can see on the latest radar where we have wet weather falling from the sky. Midlands southwards, it's falling as rain, but from the Midlands northwards, it is falling as snowfall. So the snowfall at the moment is for southern Scotland, northern areas of England. It's another 2 to 5 centimetres through low-lying areas, up to 10 across the higher ground of northern England and southern Scotland. Heavy rain in the south, clearing away, then it's blustery showers. 3 to 6 degrees, another cold day, and that cold stays with us, which means there's more icy conditions in the forecast through the coming days. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. There was a lot of snow over the weekend and we still have warnings in force today from the Midlands northwards for more snowfall, from the Midlands southwards it is for more rainfall. Now, it's the snow that's said to be more disruptive across these northern areas. We're set to see up to 2 to 5 centimetres this morning through lower levels, up to 10 across some of the high. Good morning to you. We had a lot of snow over the weekend. There's already seen some disruption this morning. We had closures at Manchester Airport because of the snow. That looks like the flights are now taking off and landing from there. And in the south, we have warnings for rain, heavy rainfall after the snow at the weekend with some rain and snow melt. And that means there are flood alerts and flood warnings, hundreds of them in force, continuing to rise. And there have been some delays and cancellations on some of the train lines, but it looks like they're back up and running. But the advice is for any mode of transport, check before you travel and allow extra time. Warnings in force until midday for snow and ice across the northern half of the UK, and we have seen up to 17 centimetres recorded in Bingley, up to 30 centimetres reported though from parts of northern England. So more snow today. This is the radar. It shows what's falling from the sky at the moment. It's chiefly snow showers across the northeast of England and eastern Scotland, and then rain down these eastern coast of England. Thankfully, through the day, the rain and the snow clears and eases away. So as it clears away, this cold northerly blast still with us, gripping us all week. This cold weather with sub-zero temperatures means the risk of ice returning again tonight.